There has been so much hate about Teslas lately, and I do plan on making a video about a topic that I've been thinking about for a long time. But today, thanks to our sponsors, we're going to be switching the front bumper or our Model Y from the carbon fiber looking style to a gloss style. As always, they have provided us with amazing materials and everything included to make sure that we are able to make this install fast and easy. This install should take no more than 15 minutes. And if you have already bought a spoiler and are planning on buying the new style, this is a great video for you. If you don't have one, then this is also a great product to have. I must say, I absolutely love the look of the gloss finish on this particular spoiler. I think it's gonna match perfectly with the rear spoiler that I have. I think it's worth pointing out that even though EV-Base provided us with a full set of tape, this spoiler has already been preset with the tape for us to install it pretty much on a one snap. And just on a quick comparison, we can see how the carbon fiber spoiler looks kind of matte and kind of dull. It doesn't go well with what I have on the car right now. And I believe this gloss spoiler is just gonna look so much updated and so much better on the car. Now, if you don't own this particular spoiler already and it's not installed in your car, please do feel free to skip this portion of the video, as this is just a removal of the old spoiler, the cleanup and prepping for the new spoiler. And do not mind my pajamas. This is a Sunday fun day for me, so I'm just working on the car on my regular household clothes. Removing the spoiler was not too difficult, just a couple of screws and whatnot. However, what did impress me is the amount of dirt that was in between the spoiler and the car. It's just a ton of debris, a ton of little things. I even found feathers in between, which was really weird. I just figured I would clean everything up to make sure that everything gets cleaned up and prep for the new install. Looking at our new spoiler, and we can absolutely tell that the connections and the screws are exactly the same as the last one. There are two on each side that you must attach. This is a 3-piece spoiler and it's separated, so you have to screw everything in before installing. You also have some rivets that you must use from your current car, so under the bumper you'll find those. If you don't have them, luckily for us, EV-Base has actually got us covered with those, so they shipped us out some. So essentially you have to remove just a few of these screws. So this one, you have to remove this one, you have to remove another one in the corner, and then another one there, and then this one, and that one, to make sure that everything fits properly. So I do have my prying tool provided thanks by EV-Base as well. So all you have to do is kind of pry just a little bit, and then you can remove the whole thing. All right. So now now that we've tested it and everything seems good, we're gonna go ahead and remove the tape to start taping everything together. After removing every single screw, that seems like an eternity, you don't have to worry about breaking a few of them. EV-Base does provide their own set, so you don't have to worry about losing them or breaking them, but do be careful with the car itself. Although these are plastic ones, it is attached to another plastic part of the car, so if you pull too hard, you may just damage the car itself. So be patient, take your time, and do it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, once we are done, we're gonna go ahead and try to align. Essentially, what you wanna do is try to align the little holes that are on the bottom of this bumper to the little holes that are under the car as well. That way you are completely sure that everything's correct. Going back to the present, I have to say that it looks absolutely stunning and it matches perfectly to our rear bumper. As I mentioned before, this was gonna be a short video simply to showcase how to install an EV-Base front fascia that looks amazing on your Tesla. They also have you covered with the new Tesla Model Y Juniper, which I think is amazing. They already have a ton of different products for that car. Be sure to check them out at evbase.com and use my discount code C3SGarage for more discounts. With that being said, thank you so much EV-Base for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for always staying tuned and checking out my videos as well as supporting my channel. Bye.